Tarrago Brands International, more than a factory. We create products to clean, maintain and care for shoes and garments, categorized across 5 different ranges and sold in the most sophisticated stores. Tarrago headquarters have been located in the Barcelona region since 1940. All formulas are created in our Research and Development Center. Products are manufactured in our factories in Spain with natural and high-quality ingredients, following an innovative process adapted to new market rules and regulations. Our team follows the strictest quality controls to ensure our standards. Our marketing and sales department work together closely to develop the products and offer the best service to our distributors and clients using the latest technology. We have presence in more than 80 countries. People care and social commitment are the most important values of our company. The new warehouse has all the technologies, materials and resources necessary to facilitate quick and efficient dispatch. Tarrago Brands, a new concept of care.